everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to change your language on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, PC or laptop on the same way. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and enjoy this video. All you need to do, just move here down in this corner like me and you will see here language. If you don't see your own language, just go here language preference, click on it. A new window will open and you will see here language. All you need to do to find your language or download it, just go here add language. Choose language for your Windows and keyboard like me. In this case I use English Australia. When you find your own language what you need, just click on it and go here next. And you will see install language pack. Also you can set my Windows display language if you need it, only to translate your Windows. Check this also like me and go here install. And you will see message please wait while language is finished installing. Wait for this downloading. After that you will see this message, just sign it out to apply your new language. Go here yes sign it out. After that go here like me and you will see your new available language. Just click on it and you have this language on your PC. After one restart your Windows also will be translated. And that's it all guys for this video, how to change language and Windows language on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.